$120.
This is now the third time he's got called about you.
I don't care. That's frying
Talk
them
to
guys.
What?
That's frying them guys.
Do you have anything on you need to know about?
No.
Anything on your person that's gonna poke me?
No,
Army, knives, anything like
No, I
that?
got my knife right here.
Where's your knife? Don't reach for it. Right here? Is this your bike?
Yep.
All right, come on. We're gonna walk this way to the corner. Come on, we're gonna walk this way to the corner.
See, I'm not drunk. I'm not nothing.
See this patrol car? We're gonna cross the street and go to the patrol car.
Yep, I just lost my son yesterday.
Sorry to hear that. Yeah, come on.
I'm waiting.
Come on, sir. I'm gonna put him in the back of your patrol car.
Come on, don't grab a hold of me.
We're not grabbing a hold of you, just move.
You're assaulting now.
Are you sure you don't have anything on you we need to know about?
Nothing on me.
Your feet, this one, move it out. Move this foot out. No, move it out. Out. Keep going. Keep going, right there. Alright, that's good. Step in. You're just detained for right now.
We'll chat in a minute, alright? Alright, that's alright.
What do you? Just hang out. What do you got, buddy? Because as I'm coming up, he's giving them issues, threatening me.
So when I first went over there, it was just 77 sitting across the street. She wanted me to have him trespass from, you know, they sit in front of the Gap.
Yeah.
She wanted me to have him trespass there. Obviously, I can't do that. She said that her boyfriend, I guess this guy, he went to lay down on the sidewalk, and they were like, "Hey man, you shouldn't lay down on the sidewalk because you know Key West PD is going to come out and tell you to move." Then when they told him to get up, that's when he got upset. Then he started arguing with them back and forth. They said that he had a knife. So this is the knife.
Did he present it at all?
She said that he didn't present it. He just said that he had a knife.
Okay.
But this time around, yeah, they said that somebody else came up to me and said that he presented the knife this time.
Perfect. Do you have a victim?
Actually, I do. I can go back over.
You can back over. Okay.
Speak with her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew he was going to be problems. He's always
As I came around, he was threatening them, saying something about coming back here. You can hang out with them there. I'm going to talk to them. If you have a victim that he presented the knife, he's gone. 10:15.
That's his phone.
That's his phone? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
But he never came inside the store.
He never came inside the store with you guys?
No,
but he did bother them.
Yeah.
Okay.
He said somebody stole $120. We pulled it up on video. We got it pulled up waiting on him.
We were looking for him like 2 minutes before because he had started issues down the street. So somebody flagged us down and said he was in here. He was bothering you guys. And as soon as I came up, I heard him threatening you guys.
So I still got the footage pulled up. Nothing was taken or stolen from him.
Perfect.
But he was on there. He's been nodding in and out for about an hour.
He was in there with you guys?
He came in for like 5 minutes.
No, he was in there for about an hour. And he's been nodding.
And he's been in Mango's too, bothering everybody.
Yeah, he's been okay.
Now, so he's on the block.
Perfect.
Thank you, Carlos.
But he never did come in here.
He never did come in.
No, because I texted my manager to find out if he was allowed in here because I seen him hanging around. But she said nothing that she know of, but we didn't like him.
But he didn't. Nothing was stolen. I mean, he kept saying, I think he was trying to scam us. I hadn't met you yet. I might.
No.
Good to meet you.
Ramos, nice to meet you.
John.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
We're
you.
both the owners.
Ma'am, I've met you before, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. But okay, so do you want to trespass? You guys are the owners. Very nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Because I came up when he was threatening you guys how he was going to come back. And do
that
whatever.
was some karma, man. He literally just got done saying that. We walk out and
because we went and pulled the video.
I was already looking for him.
He was cussing at our customers. Okay. Like, you stole my shit. And so we said, you got to step out.
Okay.
And then we went and pulled the video, and there was nothing there.
How big was the blade under his shirt? It was okay.
Any blade is dangerous, so it's definitely big enough to. Did he threaten you guys with it at all?
No, I just saw them pull it out. That could have been pretty bad.
He got a couple customers he got nasty with, but
do they want to talk to me about it?
I think they're all.
I think everybody's fine inside.
Okay.
It's a locals event.
And we'll let them know that we took care of it. So anytime we have an issue with somebody, if we mark them for trespass, it doesn't go on their liquor license, but that just means that they can be arrested if they go back in there.
It's you guys didn't do anything wrong. It's that person being taken out of your residence or restaurant or bar or whatever your establishment. That means if they go back and you don't want them there, you don't even have to confront them. You can just call us and we come and you say, hey, he's been trespassing before, because it goes in our system. And then that's an easy arrest actually. As long as you guys want to fulfill and go through with it, it's easy peasy.
Go ahead and do that. We appreciate everything you guys do, man. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm a little sweaty and a little.
No, you're good. It's 100 degrees out.
If you do have customers that he did present the knife to and they want to come out, that could be charged.
No, he didn't. From what I saw in the video and what we've heard from everybody, he did not do that.
He just you stole my stuff and started.
I saw the blade when you pulled it out from under.
I think he was. I think he was trying to scam. Is basically what it boils down.
Fair enough.
But we appreciate you, man.
Not a problem.
Let us know if you want some tickets to the birdcage or something.
Thank you.
Appreciate your service.
Thank you, guys. No worries.
His son dies. So if I don't press charges, he doesn't go to jail.
There needs to be a victim of a crime, and if he did make a crime, he did do something against you, we would strongly we would strongly suggest you press charges, because if not, we're going to release him.
The thing is, I'm scared that he's going to come back and
and do what now?
And cut his throat.
Cut whose throat?
Like my boyfriend's throat.
Well, what makes you say that?
Because he's really aggro against him.
Gotcha.
He likes me.
But did he make any threats?
He walked around with a knife like this, and he said, "Watch your back,
Did he have it out?
He had it like tucked in his holding it with the blade up like that.
But he had it out.
He had
Did
it out.
you feel
I felt threatened.
Do you want to press charges?
I don't know, because I feel like this hard in the rock part of I feel like when he gets out, he's gonna be more aggro against us because we put him in jail.
Well, he's a frequent flyer, so that's one of the things. But if we don't show a pattern for this, that he's doing these acts and threatening people and coming against people with a knife, and you don't press charges, it could lead on to further things down the road. So if we can stop it here, I would encourage you to do it. I can't tell you what to do or not to do, but I would encourage you. It depends on what you and your husband want to do. But if he threatened to you to the point where you were so scared that we're out here.
That's why I called you guys.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That he had a knife and he threatened you, then, ma'am, I can't tell you again what to do. But me being in that situation, I would take action. Okay? So that's all on you. I can't tell you what to do.
When I called, it took you guys 40 minutes to get here.
Okay.
And if he comes back when he gets out of jail and he has a knife again.
Did you tell us he had a knife?
No.
First time around?
He didn't have the knife out.
Gotcha. But the second time he did?
Yes.
Which is when I rolled up here?
Yes, sir.
So, again, it depends on what you would like to do. Talk to me about that.
I mean, my thought was that if he gets when he gets out, he's gonna have such a bandana against you that I don't know what he's gonna do.
We can give him a chance when he comes back around and he's supposed to take care of it.
We can't persuade you guys. This is solely on you guys. So.
I would rather that, because we're in the same community. He is around, and but I just want him to know that if he comes around with a knife again, or if he comes around, I know you can't put a restraining order on it because we're not.
No, but you guys can.
But I don't want him around me, and if he comes around me again, I'm gonna call again.
Okay.
I guess that's what I feel.
Okay. Fair enough. So, all right. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's Bishop step out.
God damn.
Yeah, I know, it's a mother.
Yeah, that's all right. Don't let go of me.
Nope.
Let go of me.
That's not how this is gonna work.
Yeah, it's how it's gonna work.
Okay.
Let go of me.
Nope.
So
Take a seat. You're under arrest. Take a seat. Lean back for me, okay? Thank you.
Here you go. Where's my bike at?
It's right there. It's getting locked up.
Yeah, better get locked up, motherfucker.
All right, sir, step out.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle, please. All right. Hold out, hold out, hold out. All right, sir, come on. Let me go through the
Let
elevator.
go of my hand.
Come on.
You're
Come
pulling
on.
my hand.
I'm not pulling your hand. Come on. Watch your step.
Tough guy, ain't you?
No.
I know you're not. I would handle my business one-on-one
Okay.
without your badge.
Okay.
You know it's okay.
Mm-hmm. Step out. Head to the bench on the right. Take a seat.
Yeah, I'll take it when I want.
Take a seat.
I'll take it when I want.
Take a seat.
I ain't taking the seat. I want to sit down.
Take a seat.
I'm not sitting down.
Okay, just sit down.
I'm not sitting down. I just had a hip replacement. I'm not sitting down. My hips hurting.
Take a seat. No one.
I'm not sitting down.
You want to talk to him before I do?
Yeah, I'm not down.
Okay.
Enjoy.